welcome back. Today we are doing the Play by Sephora unboxing haul, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. It's been a while since I filmed. So we're going to do June and July's because I have both June and July's here. And there's things I like about them and things that I don't like about them. So we'll get into that. And if you don't know, Play by Sephora or Sephora by Play or whatever it's freaking called, I can't even think right now, is a $10 a month subscription service through Sephora. You can sign up online through Sephora.com. I believe it's somewhere, I don't know, it's on the top somewhere, I think, that you can come down or click to the side or something, and you can sign up for it. There used to be a waiting list for it, but I believe there's not a waiting list for it anymore. And you get about 5 to 6 deluxe size samples every month in your little bag that they send you. And what's nice about it is that you get to try these products, and if you like them and you want to purchase the full size, it's not like you're looking all over the internet to figure out where you need to purchase them from. You can purchase them directly from Sephora because they sell, all the products that come to you are sold at Sephora. So that makes it nice. I also like it too because I've tried some products that I never thought I would try that I've gotten sent in my bags, and I ended up really liking them. So I mean, you discover new things and everything when you get these. So let's go ahead and jump in. We're gonna go into June's first, into June's little bag. And oh, also to let you know too, you do get the 50 VIB points or 50 Beauty Insider points or whatever you are. It comes with I don't have it with me. I don't know what I did with it, but it comes with a little pass in your box that you can take in, and it's usually valid to the last day of the following month. And I believe it used to be that you didn't have to purchase anything, but now I think you have to purchase something in order for the points to get the 50 extra points added on. I'll have to look that up and see. But yeah, so let's go ahead and jump on in. So this, like I said, was June's box. So we got a couple things here. Oh, shoot. So I sometimes get annoyed with certain products that they send me and everything, and I know a lot of people do too, because I like to look up my stuff prior, because I'm to Subscription Addiction, that blog. If you Google it, like usually she'll have like sneak peeks and like spoilers and everything, and then like it'll have spoilers on what is your, what's coming in your box and everything. So I usually go on that so I know ahead of time of what's going to be in my box. But I get kind of annoyed sometimes because I feel like sometimes I get some repeats in some things, and sometimes I get items that I'm like, I'm really not going to use, or I don't know. But we'll just go ahead and jump on. So like the first thing I got was this Marajo, I don't know how to pronounce it, Marajo. It's a nourishing cleansing cream and deep treatment butter. So is this like shampoo and conditioner? It also comes with a little thing in your box that tells you what everything is. And since this is June's, I've already threw it out, so I have no clue what this is. So I'm guessing it is quarter size, massaging wet hair, lather, and rinse 35. Okay, so this, yeah, so it's the shampoo and the conditioner. I've never heard this before, and the thing is with these little travel size things that they send you with the shampoo and the conditioner, I have thick hair. This little bit that they send me is not going to, it never works for my hair. So these things I have to like give away to someone who like they'll work for that has like thinner hair, because they don't work for me. There's not enough product in there for it to work. So the next thing I got was the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. Now I know they have the balm, and the balm one that everybody talks about, or who do I overhear talk? Casey Holmes. I always hear her talk about it. But this is the Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. So you can put this on for lids, lashes, and lips. You can see it's like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like, must be like an oil mixture of some sort. So I guess make sure it's not open. You just shake it up and then put it on your cotton pad and use it. So, I mean, I'm not excited about it, but I have been wanting to try this line, so it'll be nice to try it out and see how it works and everything. The next thing I got is Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder Translucent Light. And it comes in this little box. Now, I have the regular sized one of, oh, you open it like that. I have the regular sized one, and I really like it. But like, they give this like this little thing. Look at how little this is. That's the only thing. Like, I know it's $10 a month, and you're getting these little, but it's like, how are you supposed to? Ooh, but what I do like is it has the tab like the regular sized one. So I think if you can open it up, yep. It's exactly like the big size. So that's nice that it has the little top that you can pop open and pop close. Some people don't like these and they just rip them off. I personally like them because I hate when I open it up and my powder's everywhere. So, but it's just trying to figure out how to get like a beauty blender in there or a brush because it's so little. But maybe I can pop it open and like drop it into the one that I have and then it'll work that way. But this actually is a really good product. I really like this powder a lot. I use it more so in the fall and winter, but it's a good powder. So the next thing I got, which I was super excited about because I went in the store when this first became popular, like last year or whatever. I went and everybody was talking about it. I went in the store and I smelled it and I put it on myself. And I don't know if it's just because so many people's hands were in there testing it and everything, and it just kind of went bad. And because everybody talks about this Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. Well, when I tried it and I put it on, and I was like, okay, and it was nauseating. Like, it was just this smell. Like, everybody, explained the smell of what this is, and that was not the smell I was getting. And I was like, and I am not sensitive to smells, but it literally smelled like something went bad on my skin. Like, it was just disgusting. And then I remember smelling the jar, and I was like, it smells a little funky, but we'll try it. Maybe it smells different on the body or whatever, and it did not. But then, recently, I was in a Sephora or something, and I smelled it again, and it had like a completely different scent than the one that I smelled before. So I have a feeling the first one that I smelled was like, it went bad, or somebody threw something in it. I don't know, but it was disgusting. And so I could never figure out why people always talked about this, but I was excited about it since I re-smelled it again, and it smells really good. I mean, it has a little bit of a perfumey smell to it, but I can really smell like vanilla in it. Now, a lot of people say this is like, it's such a summer scent and such a beachy scent and everything. But to me, it smells more like, cause it's such a warm, like vanilla scent. It's more, I don't know, it smells more fall-like to me. It doesn't smell beachy to me. It's more fall-like. It's like a warm vanilla scent, like a vanilla nut scent, like a very, like, I don't know, like it smells like a Starbucks coffee or something, one of those. But I'm excited to get it and actually use it because I really want to try it and see how it is because I've heard so many good things about it. So this one I was super, super excited about because this is like hardly, I don't even think this might have been the first time that they put it in a play box, and it actually was one that I got. So I was like super excited about that. And then the next thing I got was this Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream, and it says frizz on the top, but it's like crossed off. Now, these are the things that I get like upset about. Like, I'm just like, I don't know. Like, when I get like hair products, I'm just not super, I mean, I guess it smells okay. I'm just not super excited when I get hair products. Like, I want to try skincare and beauty products with my play box. So it's like when I get hair products, I'm like I just don't even, whatever. And then the last thing that I got is the Too Faced Melted Matte in Queen Bee. Now, I already have the full size of this, but I mean, I'm not mad about having a little one like this. Though I might give this to my sister, and I will. Oh, here it is. Here's the regular size I have, and I'll just go ahead and swatch it for you guys so you can see. It's like a really pretty. Is that coming in? It's like a really pretty like mauve color. I mean, it goes with everything. Like, I love this. I really do. Like, I love this lipstick. I like this formula. It's not too drying. And it has kind of a different kind of smell. But I mean, I just like the color. Like, this is like my jam. Like, I like the mauve-y colored lipsticks and everything. So, I mean, it's just a good everyday color. I mean, and it goes, like I said, it goes with everything. So, I mean, I was kind of excited about it. But I mean, I already have it. So I think I might just pass this off to my sister. Because she might like that. So that was everything that I got in my June box. Now, let's go ahead and move on to the July box, which there's a couple items in here. Well, is there? No, we'll get to it. Okay, so the first item that I got is this Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Voluminizing Spray. Well, we'll try it. Well, it says to damp hair with focus on the roots prior to blow drying. Well, we'll try it and see how it works. Because I mean, I've been wanting to try like I needed a new volumizer thing to put in. Oh, it actually smells really good. It smells very citrusy. It says ginseng and biotin, so I don't know. But yeah, I mean, we'll try it. Like I said, hair care products I'm kind of like about, but I mean, I have gotten some good, you know, I've tried some hair. Like I tried, these came in my living proof, like the full dry volume blast and the dry shampoo that I've gotten before in my box, and I tried them and I liked them and I bought the full size. So, I mean, I can't complain all the time about hair care products. I will, you know, some of them I will try if they, you know, kind of like speak to me. This kind of speaks to me, so we'll give it a try and see how it works. The next thing I got was this Basha Matcha Magic Super Antioxidant Mask. Apply a thick, opaque, even layer to clean, dry skin. Leave on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse clean with warm water. So, it's a mask. I'm wondering if it's one of those that hardens. I don't know. Give it a try and see how it is. I like a good mask. We'll see how it is. And Basha, I've tried some of Basha's skincare stuff, and I really like it. So, we'll give it a try and see how that is. The next thing I got was the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dyed Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. Gel cleanser. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever heard anything. Ooh, it's like bubbling up. Ooh. It's got like a Vicks smell to it. Oh my God, it'll open up your sinuses and your pores real good. We'll give it a try and see how it works. I mean, I'm always like trying new makeup cleansing, you know, products and stuff, and we'll see how it is and how it works and everything. I think this is new because I don't think I haven't heard of this before, so I'm thinking it's new. I could be wrong. The next thing I got, which I'm kind of excited about, is the Drunk Elephant Protein Polypeptide Cream. I love Drunk Elephant. Like, I love all their stuff. I've gotten their Lala cream in here before, and there's no scent. Usually Drunk Elephant doesn't have any scents to it. But I've gotten the Lala cream and I really like that a lot. And this seems more of a, oh yeah. Is this more of like, this is more of like a water, like gel based moisturizer, which I love those kind of moisturizers. Cause especially, I don't know why, with my oily skin, like those just seem to like, I don't know, they just seem to work best. Oh my God, I'm excited to try this. So yeah, I'm like super excited to try this. I get excited whenever they send like Drunk Elephant products in the Sephora place because Drunk Elephant is so expensive, but their products are so good. So good. The next thing I got was another Tarte product, and it is one of their lipsticks, and it's in the color Salt Life, which I have this one. I'm not going to do that one. I'll probably give this to my sister. It's this one. So I'm not going to swatch that one, but I'll swatch this one for you. I like this lipstick a lot. It doesn't have a scent. I just like got it on my nose. Again, you'll see the theme here. There's Salt Life right there. It's right, that one right there. And then that one's Too Faced Queen Bee. So, as you can see, they're pretty much the same. It's a mauve. And this lipstick is like super creaming and super moisturizing. Like, I love this lipstick. This is like, if I'm not feeling a liquid lip, I'll usually go to this for like a more moisturizing, just a regular lipstick. And it's like a go-to. It's like a total go-to color. Like, I love this lipstick. And I mean, you can kind of see I've kind of worn it down some. But yeah, I really do like this lipstick. And that's kind of nice that they sent it and everything. But I'm not going to, I'm probably going to give that to my sister with the other one. Just because, like I said, I already have the full sizes. So I really don't need the mini sizes on that. And the last thing that I got, which, okay, this is the one that, okay, it's a blush, and I'm glad they sent a blush, because they don't really ever send blushes that I see, because I've never gotten a blush, and everybody that I've kind of read comments on and stuff have never really gotten a blush either. So it was nice to see them put a blush in there. However, it's from Tarte, and it is in the color Party. And, I mean, it's a really pretty color. Don't get me wrong. It's like a mauve-y, like, neutral color. But I have this. I have this because it was last year's birthday gift from Sephora. So I'm almost feeling like they had an overabundance and they were like, okay, let's just throw this into everyone's play box. Well, majority of people already got it that have like, that are, you know, as their birthday gift. So I don't know. This was kind of like a lot for me. Not for the fact that, I mean, I love these blushes, these Tarte, the Amazonian clay blushes. Like, these things last forever. You put them on and they ain't going anywhere. These are one of my favorite blushes. So I'm not discrediting that, and I'm not discrediting Tarte because I love Tarte. I'm just kind of just like, we got this as a birthday gift last year, so you're putting them in. It's almost like they were like, okay, we have so many left over, let's start throwing them in the play boxes. So that was kind of like a womp for me. But, I mean, I'd say I give this to my sister, but I think she picked up one for her birthday gift last year. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll give it to my mom or something. But it is, I mean, it's a gorgeous color. Like, it really is a pretty color. Don't get me wrong. But I'm just kind of like, wah, on that. So, anyways, so that's everything that I have for the past 2 months for my Sephora Play boxes and everything. If you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and stay a while. Would love to have you. And other than that, that is everything I have for you. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.